Hey y'all, welcome to What's the Buzz? Today we're in the Heights for Greater Heights Brewery. Alright y'all, so to give you a little history of Greater Heights, they actually opened in August of 2017. Two founders, Sean Bernards and Patrick Christian. And it's really just down the street from Walking Stick and Wakefield Crowbar here in the Garden Heights, Garden Oaks district. Alright y'all, so first beer on my flight today, I got a Hazy IPA. This one's called Haze City. It's very hazy, very hoppy. Alright y'all, so second beer on this flight, I got a lager, and this is one of my favorites here. This one's called Lager-ish. One of the best I had. It's very light, very crisp, not heavy at all. Alright y'all, so third beer on this flight. Decided to get a classic. Going with a Hefeweizen. That's very good. It tastes like a hint of bubblegum to this, as well as your typical bananas. Alright y'all, so fourth beer on this flight. This is another Hazy IPA, and this is one of their most popular ones. This one's called the Fruity Pellets. It's hazy, but not too hazy. It's got a good balance to it. Alright, fifth beer on this flight now. Decided to get an English pub ale. This one's called the Snecklifter. Kind of like a light stout, almost like a Guinness. It's pretty good. Alright y'all, last beer on this flight. This one's a West Coast IPA. This one's called Donny Who Loves Bowling. And that's a strike with me. This is pretty good. Came at a really popular night tonight because tonight's our runners club, and I know for a fact during this week, I think it's Tuesday or Wednesday, that they have the trivia nights. I like the spot, I like the atmosphere. They have a delicious food truck that comes here rotationally, clean bathrooms, they sell chips as well, with beer varieties, including their seasonal ones. Give it 4 out of 5 pints. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow your boy, and what's the